Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the chicken teriyaki place. We're out here right now celebrating the giveaway, the winner's there, and we have a subscriber here that I actually invited myself. He didn't win, but I told him if he came, I was gonna buy him a chicken bowl. Come over here, bro. What's your name, bro?
Jose.
Jose. There it is. Cave Gang supported. What's your Instagram?
Jose.Tokyo.
There it is. We have the winner right here of the giveaway. What's up, bro?
What's up?
And he's actually buying another chicken bowl right now. So they're being made right now as we speak. We're out here, VIP in the back. Look at that with the teriyaki on it already. I already want to touch it, you know, but it's not even ready. The winner's here. He got his food. Supporter, he got his giveaway chicken bowls. I'm actually going to steal this one from him. Thank you very much. Let me see. Open this plate.
All right.
Oh, yeah. You like that? It looks very good. Ooh, we got the burger, the new massive burger that I ordered. The chicken bowl for the guys right here. Alright guys, so we just finished eating. We're bloated as hell. We got the jalapenos. My compa aquí,
yeah, that shit made me cry.
Le salió el moco. He sharted a little bit.
Bro.
How was the food? Good?
Yep.
Damn, you ate the plate too, huh? Alright guys, so they enjoy their chicken bowl so much that they're about to get a little ratchet for the chicken bowl plays one time. Let's get it. What did you request for me to do right now?
To moan.
You request me to moan, right? Hold the camera.
Oh, that camera.
Give yourself a shot. Here you go.
Jose.Tokyo 190.
So he requests me to moan, so I'm gonna do it for him one time. Oh yeah! You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. This guy always has a full tip jar, guys. That's how you know he's 5-star for sure. People really like his quality. Look at this. Every time I come, this thing's always full. And I always try to take it, but he always catches me. Guys, so the giveaway was a beautiful success. Once again, we have here the owner of the beautiful place. What do you have to tell the viewers today?
Thank you guys. Check it out.
How was the giveaway? How was the giveaway experience for you?
Awesome. It was really awesome.
The winners were such beautiful people. They were very friendly.
Ate everything.
The whole thing. If you're lucky, you'll find them shirtless. Come find them. Cracking everybody, it's your boy Kid Fresh. We're out here with the Beach Boys themselves. We're out here. We got this guy right here. Wild as hell right now, guys. Look at this. It's gonna be a good turnout, guys. There's a lot of people. Whoa. We got people on top of the truck.
Hey, they're up there. Beach Boys are over there.
We got more people on top of the truck. Hey, Joe, smile. Hey, jump off. Hey, what's up, bro? What are you about to do right now?
Burnout.
How fat? How fat?
He'll be fat enough.
Real fat? All right. Everybody's honking right now, guys. They're going crazy. They want to get out of here. There's a lot of people out here tonight, guys. We're trying to get out. It's been like 30 minutes already. We're still inside right here, guys. I think they're having a special with the fireworks, guys. Look at all the people that are coming for buy fireworks. Let's go see what kind of special they have. Oh, look at it. Haven't seen this in a while. What's cracking? What's cracking? Is that who I think it is? Oh, what's up, bro? What's cracking? The legendary Pac-Man here, out of retirement. He's out here. Haven't seen him in a minute.
That's right.
Is that Chris?
That's my idol right there.
That's right, buddy. Appreciate it.
Oh my God, we out here with this Kid Fresh.
We're out here with my boy. What's up, bro? What's up? Uh-oh, we got Ghetto Bird on top now. Oh, what's up, buddy? What's up? That's how you do it. No! Domino's Pizza's getting lit out here. Popping, bro.
Fuck with your YouTube
Once again, thank you, bro. Appreciate the support, guys. All right, take it easy. All right, guys, we're calling it a night right here. The cops stopped somebody right here. Let me see who they stopped. They stopped the FIS, okay, and then the cops are stopping somebody over here.
Prius, I think.
How is it a Prius, dude? Slow down, slow down. CTSV, all black. It's all black CTSV.